Hey everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to customize the ribbon in new Outlook. This particular method allows you to add or remove the specific buttons to keep your most used tools within easy reach. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open the Outlook application, or you can also open Outlook in your web browser. Over here, simply click on this settings icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Once you see this settings window in front of you, make sure that if you are on the accounts tab, you click on the option of mail tab in order to access these options. Now, after clicking on the mail tab, you just have to go to the customization actions in the middle. Here, this is the section with the help of which you can control all of the toolbar and quick action buttons. So here you need to scroll down to the section that is labeled as toolbar. So here in the toolbar, you will see a list of the icons representing different types of features. Like we have delete, flag, then we have none, archive. So you just have to simply select all those buttons which you want to keep on the ribbon. You can just simply uncheck those features which you rarely use to declutter the interface. In some versions, you can just simply drag and drop the items to rearrange their order. So once you have done that, all of your changes are going to be reflected here in this particular dashboard of Outlook. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.